How to fix Snapchat's login error. Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel, The Solution Guy. In today's video, I'll simply guide you on how you can fix Snapchat login error, so make sure to watch the video till the end. Login error could be happening due to three most main reasons. The first is the account issue, the other is the application issue, the third is the credentials issue. Account issues means that Snapchat could have banned your account, or maybe you're having issues with your account, temporary ban or something. To fix that, you want to make sure that you have not conducted any of the malware behaviors on the Snapchat app, such as using a third-party plugin to increase your snap score or something like that. Now, in case they've banned you, what you can do to fix this is to change the IP address. But to change the IP address, you can just switch to mobile data, or in case if you have your Wi-Fi available or VPN available, you can connect to a VPN to change the IP address. If it doesn't help, the second is the application issue. So for that, you have to make sure that the Snapchat app is updated to the latest version, because sometimes the lack of update could also be one of the core reasons. If that doesn't help, just go back and then long press on the Snapchat eye icon, tap the I button over here. It will take you to the app information page. Go to storage, clear cache, and if possible also try to clear the data and then see if that solves your problem. If that doesn't help as well, the last but not the least, what you could try to do is simply open up Snapchat. Make sure that your login details are correct, because sometimes it could be the credentials issue. So if you've forgotten your password, you can reset your password. You can also change the phone number or email address associated with this account. Hopefully one of these may have helped solve your problem. If it did help solve your problem, then make sure to leave a like and subscribe to the channel. If you have got any questions, queries or doubts, feel free to leave them down in the comment section. Thank you very much for watching till the end, and see you in the next video.